Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Chevy Trailblazer and how to change the engine oil and oil filter. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Here are the tools and parts I'm going to be using: an oil filter wrench, a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet with a 13mm socket, my oil filter, and 7 quarts of 5W30. As well as a jack, some jack stands, and a wheel choke for the rear wheels, and also a funnel. So I'm going to start off by safely jacking up the car. I'm going to jack it up right from the middle, and then I'm going to put 2 jack stands, one here and one on that side, and then remove the jack. I have my Trailblazer safely jacked up, and we're going to be removing this small panel. It's held on with 2 flathead screws, and I'm going to be removing that so I can gain access to my oil drain plug. Now I'm going to use my 13mm socket to loosen the drain plug, and then make sure you have a bucket or something underneath to catch all the oil. And now I'm going to let the oil completely drain out, and at the same time I'm going to go underneath the hood and open the oil cap to release all the pressure. The oil has completely stopped draining out, and now it's just dripping a tiny bit, so I'm going to reinstall my drain plug and then clean the oil around the housing. And now to change the oil filter, it's located right here by the drain plug. And to remove it, I'm going to be using my oil filter wrench. It's pretty simple, you're just going to twist it open. There's going to be a little bit of oil that drains out, let it drain out. And then to install the new oil filter, you're just going to put it into place and tighten it down. And now I'm going to reinstall this cover back on with the 2 flathead screws, and then I'm going to lower down the vehicle. And now it's time to fill in our new oil. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video on changing the oil on the Chevy Trailblazer, and if you guys want to see more videos just like this, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, MrCarMAN, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.